Let's jump right into this video. Girl, I'm just here to show you some hairstyles that does not require a lot of work, and you can never go wrong with a good old bust down right down the middle. Not everybody has time for intricate. Girl, I was struggling. Styles when it's time to get up in the morning. Oftentimes all we have time for is a good bonnet off and go. And so I wanted to come in and share a few looks that I do on a regular basis. This all the hair pulled back. I like to add a headband to help with holding the locks back for those days that I would just prefer my hair to not be in my face. As a loc girly for 2 years, I really enjoy the flexibility, the bonnet off and go options, and sometimes I just want to spruce it up with a little headband. For my next look, I just want to share the side part option. Do not underestimate a side part when it comes to Microloc, and don't take my word for it. Ladies, if you're locked, let me know in the comments how you feel about a side part. Also, let me know in the comments, how long have you been locked? I want to take some time to say thank you for your support. I appreciate you taking some time out to watch this video, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned loc girly. Whether you are locked or thinking about locks, feel free to push the subscribe button so we can grow together. Please do not underestimate the look of a deep side part. One thing I'm enjoying about these locks is how just the little minor changes can create a look that is sophisticated, that can be sexy, and that can be worn day or night. My goal for this video is to encourage you to put your hands in your hair and see what you can create with just a little movement. Don't get me wrong, I really do enjoy seeing the loc girlies do those intricate styles, do the rollers, the rods. I really enjoy seeing those as well. Since you're still here, feel free to put a red heart in the comments. I appreciate your support more than you could ever know. As you can see, the smile on my face only gives half of the feeling I get when I do my hair with that deep side part. And of course, I always try to get some bangs. Then I wanted to show you how the other side can also make a difference. Some of us have good sides and may want to show it off, but back to my point is to encourage you to just put your hands in your hair, see what works for you, see what looks good for you, and don't give up on the journey. I know this video may be too simple for some, but right up the alley for others. I know for me, sometimes I feel better when I see all the details that come with something new in my life. I wanted to show how easy styling Microlocs can be, how you don't have to have an intricate hairstyle, how you can just move hair from here to there and create a look that is captivating. I hope this is useful to you. If not, I appreciate your time. Feel free to share with someone who may be new to the journey and just needs some encouraging words to keep pushing through. For further Microloc insight, feel free to check out some of my previous videos. Thank you for your time. Bye.